discuss VMware and virtualization. VMware provides cloud computing and platform virtualization software and services. It is a desktop software runs on Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It has Type 1 hypervisors that runs directly on server hardware without requiring an additional underlying operating system. VMware is a virtualization product that make it possible to partition a single physical server into multiple virtual machines. This allows you to configure permission to access virtual machines for various purposes to meet the needs of diverse users. What is virtualization? In computing, virtualization means to create a virtual version of a device or a resources, such as a server, storage device network, or even an operating system where the framework divides the resources into one or more execution environments. Here are some benefits of virtualization. Reduce capital and operating costs, minimize or eliminate downtime, increase IT productivity, efficiency, agility, and responsiveness, faster provisioning of applications and resources, greater business continuity and disaster recovery, simplified data center management, availability of a true software-defined data center. Devices, applications, and human users are able to interact with the virtual resource as if it were a real single logical resource. Even something as simple as partitioning a hard drive is considered virtualization because you take one drive and partition it to create two separate hard drives. So, what are these types of virtualization and what they actually do? The first one is the operating system. This is the most common type of virtualization. This supports the computer's basic function. The next one is the application server. It is used for load balancing. It helps me to prevent loading particular server, and it also helps me from stopping an underperformance of an application. Application virtualization is a software technology that encapsulates computer programs from the underlying operating system on which it is executed. A fully virtualized application is not installed in the traditional sense, although it is still executed. Administrative virtualization, the one whose responsibilities include virtual environment setup and maintenance, in addition to traditional system admin duties. The virtual environment could consist of operating system, network resources, servers, storage, desktops, data, and applications. Network virtualization is the process of combining hardwares and software network resources and network functionalities into a single software-based administrative entity. This involves platform virtualization, often combined with resource virtualization. Hardware virtualization. This is similar to operating system. You basically learn different chunks and application performance here. Storage virtualization is a management that lets you manage this virtualization. Your storage is certainly divided into parts and devices. Your monitor manages all these devices and distribution of all the loads that moving around at the storage.